Hi, I'm Tracy at Tierracast, and I'm here with Jamie. She's visiting with us, and she was asking me about how I find inspiration and start the design process. And what I do is I make a lot of the jewelry we design here for product launches for our marketing purposes. So one of the things we were just talking about is choosing a color palette. We'll go and look online or something and find color palettes. We'll always have something to start with. Do we want to work with blues? Do we want to work with greens? Do we want it to be jewel tones or fallish? So we'll go find a palette and print that out. And then what I'll do is I'll go through all my drawers of materials, and I'll find different beads, gemstones, sea beads, and I will just set up trays of different color themes of the different materials that we have to work with. And that's a good way to get the design process going. We see all the good colors. We usually have the materials, the products that we're intending to work with, and that's how we kind of get the ball rolling with our design process.
And I really liked how you pinned photos.
Yes, yeah.
Look, you guys.
Stick stuff up on the walls.
So that's always a good thing. And on the bottom, she has like different areas where she's organized a project that she's going to work on. But I would say just even taking pictures of stuff that you like. I point with my finger into the camera, but taking pictures and posting them up. That inspired me just walking in here.
Yeah, and this is a little research project someone should do. I was just saying to Jamie that I think there's an app that you can download onto your phone. You can take a picture and it creates a palette for you. I don't know what the name of the app is, but maybe somebody can find that out and
share it below.
Share it, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.